All right, guys, how's it going out there? Hope everybody's having a good Sunday out there, enjoying some football or maybe talking on the radio, whatever you're doing. Figured I'd take time and do a video Palomar Deluxe 25A base station power supply. We'll go ahead and turn it off and show you guys how it works here. It's a base amp, obviously. You guys have probably seen it, but it does have power supply built into it. So if your amp, whatever, if the amp side tore up on there or something, you could use this to run a small amp. The equivalent to turn it on, you hit this switch, press the reset button, and then that will turn the fan on and the power supply. And we'll just take our little multimeter here, if we can do this with one hand, and we'll try to show you guys how many volts are on it here. Pretty common little amp. Well, they used to be a lot more common. Two of these made, the 35A and the 25A. 35A has a 4 transistor amp section, and the 25A has a 2. It's either got 455s or 1446s, something like that in it. So there you go, 14.5 volts coming out the front here. So you can run a radio off of it, small amp, whatever you want. And just to show you guys here, see, if you just turn that switch on, well, I guess it does end up the power supply coming on. You maybe don't have to hit the reset button for that. Thought you had to hit the reset button, but maybe not. I guess that's just a habit I got in, hitting it, turning and hitting the reset button. Then turn the amp side on. So if you've got this power button off, the amp is basically in standby. You turn it on, the whole amp side is engaged. So get that out of the way here. This one's in pretty good shape. Again, it is for sale. If nobody shows any interest in it, I'll toss it up on eBay and it will go for auction. I always encourage people to buy stuff outside of eBay because generally it brings a cheaper price. But preamp works. So there's the preamp. You can tell it's picking up more static, so it's working. Seems like this thing has automatic sideband delay built into it. There's a little bit of a delay. Now, as far as what you would put into this, I would stay around 2 watts or so dead key and swing about 35 or so peak. You might get away with a little bit more, but that's where I would be on it. And they're pretty durable amp. So output, that's the main thing everybody wants to see. We've got it on high right now. We will start out on average power. So 500 watt slug, I believe that's in there. I was going to say 1,000, but we've got the 500 in there right now. And so the middle scale, so 10 would be 100 watts, and 50 is 500. We've got about a 40 watt dead key there, 45 watts. Hello, audio. Hello. And right at 100 watts average, maybe just a little bit less. We'll go to PEP. And still looking at the middle scale. This is on high. Audio, check, check, check. Audio, 200 on the money. Audio, check, check. Audio, check, check. Audio, check, check. Audio, check, check, check. Audio, 1, 2, audio. We'll go low. Hello. You notice the dead key drop way down. 150 on low. Audio, check, check. Audio, check, check, check. Audio, check, check, check. Audio. Go to medium. Hello, check, check, check. Audio, check, check, check. Now about 185, 190 on medium. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio. Back to high. Hello, audio, 1, 2, 3. Audio, 1, 2, 3. Audio, 1, 2, 3. So, nice running little amp. Fan is blowing pretty good out of the back. Somebody may have changed fans in it because it's circulating pretty good. That's what the back of it looks like. This is a nice little guy here. I mean, if you just want something to local talk on and, get long-winded on and, just wear it out, nice little amp for that. Good driver for, heck, single 500Z tube, pair of 500Zs, 4-pill. You could run it into a 4-pill. Just does really good. So, you have 200 watts on high and then 150 watts on low. A lot of stuff you can do with this one. There it is, guys. That's it. Palomar 25A 200 amp or 200 watt amplifier. Interested in it, shoot me a text 423-299-3535. If no one shows any interest, this video will be posted on eBay with this amp. Thanks guys, see you, bye.